Hi everyone! Welcome back to Practice English Fast. This is your go-to channel for mastering English fluency and acing language tests like the CELPIP. Today, we're continuing our CELPIP writing preparation series with an in-depth look at Writing Task 2, the survey response. In this task, you'll learn how to choose an option, explain your choice clearly, and structure your response like a pro. So, grab a notebook and let's dive right in. First things first, let's understand what Writing Task 2 is all about. You'll be presented with a survey question like this. A language learning organization is conducting a survey among the students of your college that around the world, children learn English as the first language at school. However, they should learn their native language as their first language. You are asked to share your opinion on which one is best as per your opinion. Choose the option that you prefer. Why do you prefer your choice? Explain the reasons for your choice. Write about 150 to 200 words. Option A, I would like students to learn English as their first language. Option B, I would like students to give priority to their native language. The goal is to write a persuasive and logical response. You don't need to agree with the option you pick. Just make sure your reasoning is strong and easy to follow. Before you start writing, take 2 to 3 minutes to plan. Trust me, planning makes everything easier. Here's how you can do it. Pick your option. Decide which one you'll write about. Choose the one you can explain better. List your reasons. Write down 2 or 3 strong reasons that support your choice. Think of examples. Add real-life examples or details to make your reasons convincing. Here's a simple outline to follow. Introduction. State your choice clearly. Reason 1. Explain your first reason with an example. Reason 2. Provide another reason and elaborate. Conclusion. Summarize your points and restate your choice. Quick tip. Keep your ideas organized. Don't jump between points. Make it easy for the reader to follow your thoughts. Now, let's talk about writing a strong introduction. Start with a sentence that clearly states your choice. For example, if the question is, a language learning organization is conducting a survey among the students of your college that around the world, children learn English as the first language at school. However, they should learn their native language as their first language. Your introduction could be, I believe students should learn English as their first language because it provides global opportunities and facilitates communication in a connected world. It's short, clear, and directly answers the question. The examiner knows your opinion right away. That's exactly what you want. Now that we've written the introduction, the next step is to support your choice with strong reasons and examples. This is the most critical part of your response because it shows the examiner your ability to think logically and communicate clearly. Let's say we chose option A. Students should learn English as their first language. Here's how you can break it down. Begin by introducing your first reason. Explain why you support your chosen option with a clear, logical argument. Then, add an example to strengthen your point. For instance, if you chose the option that students should learn English as their first language, you could write something like this. First, English is essential for success in higher education and professional careers. It is the most widely spoken language globally and is often a requirement for admission to top universities and multinational companies. For example, many international students must pass English proficiency exams like IELTS or TOEFL to access quality education abroad. In this paragraph, the reason is clear. English helps students succeed in education and careers. The example of English proficiency exams like IELTS or TOEFL adds real-world relevance, which makes your argument stronger. Next, move to your second reason. Think about another benefit of your chosen option and explain it thoroughly. Again, support it with an example to make it convincing. Here's an example. Second, learning English provides access to a wealth of resources and opportunities. The majority of online courses, global news platforms, and educational materials are available in English, making it a critical tool for learning and self-improvement. For instance, platforms like Coursera and TED Talks offer high-quality content that helps students develop new skills and broaden their horizons. In this paragraph, the reason is that English opens doors to valuable resources. By mentioning specific platforms like Coursera and TED Talks, you show how learning English can lead to practical, real-world opportunities. Remember, using examples makes your argument relatable and easier for the reader to understand. Use linking words and phrases like first, second, or additionally to make your response flow naturally. This ensures your ideas are well-connected and easy to follow. Finally, wrap up your response by summarizing your main points and restating your choice. Your conclusion should emphasize why your option is the best. Here's an example. In conclusion, prioritizing English as the first language equips students with the skills they need to thrive in a competitive, interconnected world. It not only enhances their career prospects, but also empowers them to engage with diverse cultures and ideas effectively. A strong conclusion like this reinforces your argument and leaves a positive impression on the examiner. Remember, the key to supporting your choice is providing clear reasons, adding relevant examples, and using transition words to connect your ideas smoothly. Follow this structure, and you'll create a logical and persuasive response every time. Here are some tips and tricks to help you master CELPIP Writing Task 2. Stay within the word limit. Write between 150 to 200 words. If your response is too short or too long, it could affect your score. Focus on clarity. Use simple language to make your ideas easy to understand. Use connectors. Words like however, therefore, for example, and in addition, make your response flow naturally. Check your grammar and spelling. Mistakes can cost you points, so review your response carefully. Practice under time conditions. Spend 20 minutes on task 2, including planning, writing, and proofreading. Use real-life examples. Examples make your arguments more convincing and relatable. Keep your tone formal. Avoid slang or overly casual expressions. Let's break down the example response we saw earlier and align it with the structure we've learned. Introduction. I believe students should learn English as their first language because it prepares them for global opportunities and enhances their ability to connect with the world. Clear choice and reason are stated right away. Reason 1. English is essential for success in higher education and professional careers. It is the most widely spoken language globally and is often a requirement for admission to top universities and multinational companies. For example, many international students must pass English proficiency exams like IELTS or TOEFL to access quality education abroad. Logical reason supported with an example. Reason 2. Learning English provides access to a wealth of resources and opportunities. The majority of online courses, global news platforms, and educational materials are available in English, making it a critical tool for learning and self-improvement. For instance, platforms like Coursera and TED Talks offer high-quality content that helps students develop new skills and broaden their horizons. Another strong reason with an example that supports the argument. Conclusion. In conclusion, prioritizing English as the first language equips students with the skills they need to thrive in a competitive, interconnected world. It not only enhances their career prospects, but also empowers them to engage with diverse cultures and ideas effectively. Summarizes key points and reinforces the opinion. And that's how you can tackle CELPIP Writing Task 2 with confidence. Now it's your turn. Practice writing your response to the sample question in the comments below. Which option would you choose and why? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Practice English Fast, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!